morning students. Today we discuss the examples of vectors. That means exercise 1.1. Then today's first example. Check whether the vectors 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, second minus 3i cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap and 3i cap plus 4k cap all by rectangle or not. First question, check whether the vectors, these are the three vectors, form a rectangle or not. Solution, that if possible the three vectors form a triangle ABC. Suppose first the vectors form a triangle ABC with the vectors. First is AB, that means A bar is equal to 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. AB, this is BC, equal to minus 3i cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap, and this AC bar is equal to 3i cap plus 4k cap. Now this AB plus BC equal to adding these two vectors means this 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap plus minus 3i cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap. This is equal to minus 3 minus 2 minus I cap plus 5j cap plus 5k cap, which is not equal to AC bar, that means it is not equal to 3i cap plus 4k cap. Triangle law is the addition subject satisfy होता है, and hence the given three vectors do not form a triangle. This is first example. Next, second, in figure, this is figure P, Q, R. This point yes, this is minus D bar. Direction is important. In figure, express C bar and D bar in terms of A bar and B bar. Find the vector in the direction of A bar is equal to I cap minus 2j cap, that has magnitude 7 units. The या क्वेश्चन मध्ये दोन सब क्वेश्चन आहेत. फर्स्ट आहे एक्सप्रेस दी वेक्टर C and D in terms of A and B and find the vector with direction A1 and its magnitude is 7 units. Solution. First, in figure by triangle of addition of vectors PS is PS plus PS cube equal to PQ. That means PS means therefore C bar, SQ means minus D bar equal to PQ means A bar. This equation first and PS plus SR equal to PS plus SR is equal to PR. PS means C bar, S bar means D bar is equal to B bar. This equation. Second, adding 1 and 2, we get adding equation 1 and 2 we get. That means this minus C and plus C get cancel. We get 2C bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. This is equal to C bar means 1 upon 2 A bar plus 1 upon 2 B bar. This is the vector C bar in terms of A bar and B bar. Next, subtracting equation 2 from 1 we get दोन एक वजा केलं तर मायनस मायनस प्लस होणार, मायनस होणार मायनस येणार म्हणजे काय येणार 2 D bar is equal to B bar minus A bar. That means D bar is equal to 1 upon 2 B bar minus 1 upon 2 A bar. That means the vector D in terms of vector A and B. And next question याच्यामध्ये जायचो find the vector in the direction of A bar equal to I cap minus 2j cap that has magnitude 7 units. Now this A bar is equal to I cap minus 2j cap. That means its magnitude is equal to square root of 1 square plus minus 2 square. 1 square is 1 minus 2 square is 4 means equal to 5. Magnitude of A bar is equal to 5. Therefore unit vector along the vector. Next is unit vector in the direction of A bar is equal to this A cap is equal to mod A bar upon its magnitude, but A bar means I cap minus 2j cap. Its magnitude is equal to 5. Therefore vector of magnitude 7 in the direction of A bar equal to 7 into psi cap minus 2j cap upon equal to 5. This is equal to 7 upon equal to 5 into I cap 7 upon equal to 5 into I cap minus 15 upon equal to 5 into j cap. This is the vector of magnitude 7 in the direction of A1. Then next, find the distance. For example, find the distance from 4 minus 2 6 to each of the following. First, the xy plane. Second, the yz plane. First is xy plane. Second, the yz plane. Third, the xz plane. Fourth, the x-axis. Fifth, the y-axis. Sixth, the z-axis. So we have to find the distance from a point 4 minus 2 6. First, get the point A. 4 minus 2 6. समजा point A आहे. 4 minus 2 6. First, the distance of a point A from the xy plane equal to the distance of the mod z. Mod z means this is x coordinate, y coordinate, z coordinate. Jx, y, z आहे तर this is equal to 6 units. तसेच the distance second, the distance of a from the yz plane, the distance of a point A from the yz plane equal to yz आहे म्हणजे इथं mod x. Mod means taking only absolute, that means positive magnitude. This is equal to 4 units. Third, the distance of a point D from the xz plane is equal to mod y. That means mod of -2. Taking its absolute, that means 2 unit, because distance is always positive. You have to look at the distance of a point A from the plane xz plane is equal to mod y. That means mod -2 equal to 2 units. Therefore, the distance of a point A from the x-axis equal to square root of y square plus z square, square root of y square plus z square. This is equal to y square means -2 square plus z square means 6 square equal to 4 plus 36 is equal to 10. That means 2 into 10 units. The fifth, the distance of a point from the y-axis equal to square root of x square plus z square. The distance of a point A from the y-axis equal to square root of x square plus z square. This is equal to X means work square, Z means 6, that means 6 square, that means is 16 plus 36 is equal to 52. 2 into 13, that means 2 into 13 units. And 6 is the distance of A from the Z axis. From the Z axis is equal to square root of x square plus y square, square root of x square plus y square equal to work square plus minus 2 square, that means 16 plus 4 equal to 20, that means 4 into 5, that means 2 into 5 units. 2 into 5 units. Then next example, find the area of triangle. Find the area of the triangle with vertices 1 1 0 1 0 1 and 0 1 1. Find the area of triangle which vertices. Vertex means its point 1 1 0 1 0 1 and 0 1 1. Solution first. Get the triangle ABC with vertices. Get the triangle ABC with the vertices E 1 1 1 0, B 1 0 1 and C 0 1 1. These are the three vertices. Then AB is equal to square root of, that means using distance formula 1 minus 1 bracket square x2 minus x1 log x minus x2 plus 1 minus 0 bracket square plus 0 minus 1 bracket square equal to, this get cancel, 1 square is 1 plus 1 square 1, that means this is equal to units. Next, then AB and the BC square root of 1 minus 0 bracket square plus 0 minus 1 bracket square plus 1 minus 1 bracket square is equal to this 0. 1 square is 1 minus 1 square is 1. This addition is equal to units. And then AC equal to square root of, AC means 1 minus 0 bracket square plus 1 minus 1 bracket square plus 0 minus 1 bracket square. Already this is same, that means equal to units. तीन साइड सेम है, इसका मतलब triangle ABC is in triangle ABC is in equilateral and therefore area of a equilateral triangle equal to 1 upon equal to width का upon 4 into side square area so width का upon 4 into side square. Therefore area of triangle ABC equal to root 3 upon 2. Side square means root 2 square. That means is root 3 upon 4 into 2. Root 3 by 2 square. Hence the required area of triangle ABC equal to root 3 upon 2 square units. Then next is if this AB bar is equal to 2I cap minus 4J cap plus 7K cap and initial point A 1 5 0. Find the terminal point, find the terminal point B, find the terminal point B. Solution. We know that the vector AB means A is the initial point and B is the terminal point. First, you have to find the terminal point B. Then A bag and B bag be the position vectors of points A and B respectively. Position vectors of point A and B respectively given the point A 1 5 0. That means therefore A bag is equal to I cap plus 5J cap plus 0K cap. Now this AB bar is equal to B bar minus A bar. That means is the position vector between 2 points. That means joining the 2 points A and B. But given this AB bar is equal to 2I cap minus 4J cap plus 7K cap equal to B bar minus I cap plus 5J cap. Therefore, this B bar is equal to 2I cap minus 4J cap plus 7K cap plus I cap plus 5J cap plus 0K cap. Therefore, this B bar is equal to I cap plus J cap plus 7K cap. This is the unit position vector. Therefore, the point B equivalent to K 1 7. Hence the terminal point B equivalent to K 1 7. Hence the terminal point B equivalent to K 1 7. Next is show that the points A minus 2 4 B 9 8 minus 10 and C minus 2 minus 3 1 are collinear. So that the given 3 points A, B, C are congruent. A point is 2 minus 4, 9, 8, B, 9, 8 minus 10, and C minus 2 minus 3, 1. Solution first, let A bar is equal to 2Ki cap plus 2J cap minus 4K cap. B bar is equal to 9I cap plus 8J cap minus 10K cap, and C bar is equal to minus 2I cap minus 3J cap plus K cap. Be the position vectors of points A, B, C respectively. Then A bar, B bar and C bar be the position vectors of points A, B, C respectively. Now this A B bar is equal to B bar minus A bar equal to 9 minus 3, 6I cap, 8 minus 2 plus 6J cap minus 10 plus 4 minus 6K cap, and this AC bar is equal to minus 2 minus 3, that means C bar minus A bar equal to minus 5I cap minus 3 minus 2 minus 5J cap, 1 plus 4 5K cap. Therefore this AB bar is equal to 6 into I cap plus J cap minus K, taking 6 common. That means you have to change 6 upon 5, that means minus 6 upon 5 into minus 5I cap minus 5J cap plus 5K cap. This minus get cancelled, plus and here 5 get cancelled. That means this is equal to minus 6 upon 5, and this vector is AC. Therefore is a scalar multiple. This AB is a scalar multiple of AC, and the point A, point A का side common, the point A is in the common, and the point A is in the common. Hence the three points A, B, C are congruent. Next, if the vectors 2I cap, if the vectors 2I cap minus q j cap plus 3k cap and 4I cap minus 5j cap plus 6k cap are congruent, then find the value of q, then find the value of q if the vectors 2I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap and 4I cap minus 5j cap plus 6k cap are congruent, then find the value of k. q. Solution. First, get the vectors a bar is equal to 2I cap minus q j cap plus 3k cap and b bar is equal to 4I cap minus 5j cap plus 6k cap colinear. That means first scalar multiple and the coefficient of I, j, k are same proportional. Therefore, there exists a scalar t such that a bar is equal to t into b bar, such that a bar is equal to t into b bar. Therefore, this 2I cap minus q j cap plus 3k cap equal to t times 4I cap minus 5j cap plus 6k cap. This is equal to 4t I cap minus 5t j cap plus 6p k cap. This side is same 2I cap minus qj cap plus 3k cap by equality of two vectors. मध्ये साइन इक्वल काय म्हणजे बाय इक्वॅलिटी ऑफ टू वेक्टर्स हे कोएफिशिएंट सुद्धा काय असतील सेम असतील. दॅट मीन्स 2 इज इक्वल टू 4t minus q is equal to minus 5t and 3 is equal to 6t. That means from 1 and third we get t is equal to 1 by 2. T is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore q is equal to 5 into t means 1 upon 2, hence q is equal to 5 by 2, hence q is equal to 5 by 2. Okay, thank you.